Good evening, students. So today we are starting with next mode of action of next antimicrobial agent, and that antimicrobial agent is antiviral drug. Yesterday we have seen about antifungal drug. Today we are starting with C point, that is antiviral drug. An antiviral drug with the name AZT, azithromycin, and then other name is zidovudine. Okay. This AZT has a chemical name 3-azido 2,3-dideoxythymine. It is a thymine analog. Okay. Already you must know thymine. Thymine is a nucleotide and this AZT is a thymine analog. Okay. Azithromycin AZT is first synthesized in 1964. Its biological activity was found in 1974 after 10 years, and in 1986 it was a demonstrated application of AZT in clinical trials of AIDS and related disease. Okay, this AZT, it is specifically used for the AIDS patient because it is an antiretroviral medicine. Now, retrovirus means what? Retrovirus is a virus which has a RNA as a genetic material, but as soon as a virus, such virus when infected a human cell, it forms a DNA copy that with the help of reverse transcriptase, and hence in such retroviral virus group this AZT acts, and hence it is an antiretroviral medicine. Okay. Now, and retroviral virus causes AIDS and some types of cancers in humans. Okay, it can be used to prevent the AIDS for transmission from the mother to child. This AZT helps to avoid the transfer of disease from mother to the child, and it can be used by mouth or slow injection into vein. Now, this is a structure of zidovudine or azithromycin. It is an analog of thymidine in which a azide group is substituted at a 3-carbon atom of deoxyribose thymidine. As you can see in the structure, at the third position of carbon here, N3 group, that is azide group, is added. Okay, to the dideoxythymidine. Then towards the mode of action of this AZT, first we will see the details and then we will see the flow chart here. Okay, mode of action. HIV virus is an RNA virus which is capable of synthesizing the DNA transcript of its genome, which can be become integrated into host cell DNA, thereby allowing the viral replication. As already told, this retrovirus or HIV virus has an RNA as its genetic material, but it has a capability of synthesizing the DNA transcript of its genome when it is integrated into the host cell by allowing the viral replication. Now, how it synthesizes the DNA? It can synthesize initial DNA transcript involving the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Using the reverse transcriptase enzyme, it can form cDNA from original genetic material, that is sRNA. Okay. This AZT combined with the enzyme reverse transcriptase and clogs up its active site. आता रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेजचं फंक्शनच काय आहे तर व्हायरसचं जिनोम sRNA आहे. होस्टच्या सेलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन कशामध्ये होणार आहे? cDNA मध्ये, होस्टच्या जिनोममध्ये, राईट. तर रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज DNA मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार आहे RNAला. तर आपला AZT डायरेक्टली कोणावर ॲक्ट होतो? रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज एन्झाईमवर ॲक्ट होतो आणि तिथं त्या एन्झाईमची ॲक्टिव्ह साईट काय करतो? क्लॉक करतो. त्याच्यामुळं काय होणार नाही? sRNAचं कन्व्हर्जन cDNA मध्ये होणार नाही, आणि cDNA मध्ये त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन झालं नाही की त्या स्पेसिफिक पर्सनला काय होणार नाही? तो स्पेसिफिक डिसीज काय होणार नाही? होणार नाही, वाढणार नाही किंवा स्टॉप होणार. हॅन्स इट ॲक्ट ॲज अ रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज इनिबिटर. ओनली द रेट्रोव्हायरस सच ॲज HIV use this enzyme. AZT does not affect the normal cells. It acts as D-deoxythymine analog. Already I have told it is a analog of D-deoxythymine. Now we will see in flowchart. First we will see the simple way. Simple way, HIV virus which has a single stranded RNA here. With the help of reverse transcriptase, it converts its RNA to S double stranded DNA into the host cell. Okay. The mode of action of AZT, that is thioridine antimicrobial agent, is directly on this retrovirus reverse transcriptase. Okay. Now first we will see the zidovudine, how the action of zidovudine, how there is a, it does not forms the double stranded DNA, allows the formation of double stranded DNA. Okay. Zidovudine, on the zidovudine, the enzyme D-thymine kinase act to form zidovudine monophosphate. On this zidovudine monophosphate, there is action of D-thymine monophosphate kinase to form zidovudine diphosphate. On this, NDP kinase means nucleoside diphosphate kinase, that is a polynucleotide kinase. It acts and it forms zidovudine triphosphate, and with the where the reverse transcriptase enzyme act, and then it forms the DNA. Okay. This reverse transcriptase, it has a role in the formation of complementary DNA, that is cDNA, from the RNA. Our zidovudine directly act on the reverse transcriptase enzyme. How is the action on the DNA? Now we will see. This zidovudine, it acts on the deoxythymine. Okay. With the help of D-thymidine kinase, it forms D-thymidine monophosphate. Then with the help of D-thymidine monophosphate kinase, it converts DTMP, that is thymidine monophosphate, to thymidine diphosphate. Then again, after the action of NDP kinase, the conversion of DDP, it will convert into DTTP, that is D-deoxy triphosphate. And the action of this zidovudine or AZT is directly on this reverse transcriptase enzyme, which will convert this the RNA into this DNA. Okay, here into this DNA. This reverse transcriptase enzyme, this enzyme's active site has been clocked by the drug, and here the DNA formation does not takes place. Okay. DNA काय होत नाही, फॉर्म होत नाही. ओके. प्रत्येक ह्याचा काय दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला एन्झाईमचा ह्याच्यामध्ये रोल इन शॉर्ट लिहून दिलेला आहे. ओके. डायरेक्टली आपल्या झायडोवुडीनचा ॲक्शन कोणावर आहे, रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज एन्झाईमवर आहे, जेणेकरून इथं काय फॉर्म होणार नाही, आपल्या होस्ट सेलमध्ये DNA म्हणजे काय होणार नाही, व्हायरल जीनोम रेप्लिकेट होणार नाही इन द फॉर्म ऑफ DNA. ओके. नाउ टुवर्ड्स द therapeutic uses, it is used to prolong life patients with AIDS and AIDS related complex, म्हणजे एड्स पेशंट्सला आणि एड्स रिलेटेड कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स अशा पेशंटलाच हे AZT दिलं जातं. and here we are ended with your AZT, azithromycin drug, which is used as an antiviral drug. Thank you.